So we are back another week at work, but lately it's been slow. I guess people don't want to sell their cars no more. I don't know what's going on. It's been 2 weeks since we had one. We finally have another one. It's a Chevy Cavalier, something like that. But that's all we get right there. That's what we got. One car, 1 week, 2 weeks, not good. I'm bored. I need cars. Cody, you watching me? Pay a little more. That way we get more cars. Cause we can't just be doing stuff like that. We gotta be crushing cars. That's the fun part of the job, you know. So keep it up. So we continue this video with this Jeep doors and hoods. A lot of aluminum here. I don't know why the Jeep has nice colors and the other cars won't. What's up with that? Well, actually, that's not a Jeep. I don't know what that is. Maybe a Charger. I don't know. But yeah, I like my car to be like that. So we finally have a car, a minivan, and we also have that Kia right there. Finally, about time. I've been waiting for this since 2 weeks ago. Well, actually, we had a junk the other day. That one right there. But finally, we got something with good gas, decent gas. Hopefully, it has some anyway. You know what's up. This is what we have to do. Our greens. So. Dale, dale. Ahí va, ahí va. And this one is the big one. The little one is scary, at least the back wheels. It's okay. We need new stuff. Woo! Ghosted! Thank you for my fixing the machine. Nothing. Anyway, we back on a Monday on a new week. We gotta take that apart. It's too loud. We gotta get the battery out of it. That right there. So we're gonna start our Monday with this Kia Rio. We're about to take the LS out. We're gonna move the radiator and start cutting wire. Do the easy way. Well, now we have better access to it. So we're removing the LS.
¿El S quién?
LS, the motor. And yeah, that's what we gotta do. Unhook whatever is left to unhook and take it out. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this right here. Well, he is. I'm gonna go somewhere else because too much dust are here. All he gonna do is crush them. That's about it. We already got the hard part done. The LS is sitting right there. I'm gonna take it out there. And we are done with the cars for now. There's another boat. That's a nice trailer. Sorry, done. He's gonna crush it. That's it. Goodbye. Oh, we came today to see the colors, but they're back gone. Last week was the best, I guess. We messed up. But and it's all foggy, so can't see very well. We went to the other side, it was way higher, but
right now it's videoing. We're going down to the top of the mountain from the top.
All the leaves are almost gone.
Yes, they're falling off. So much fog out.
Crazy to say, but I've been on all these woods walking up.
You've walked through all of them. I've walked through some. You've walked through more.
I don't know what is up there. Nobody coming? Can't see.
Oh yeah, we got some little farmers out here, don't we, in this area?
Looks nice down there.
You never know what you'll find in the woods. People like to...
Nope.
Blue Ridge.
A lot of stuff out here in the woods. Now here's a little colors. Not a lot. The rain knocked them down a lot.
Here in a couple of months, it'll be white with ice.
Oh yeah, out here we weren't able to make it a lot of times.
But we did. We did a few.
We did.
When we
Not all
actually...
the times.
No, but when you take the time to put the chains and stuff. Put the chains on, take the chains off.
Yeah.
I know, it's a nasty road like that.
This is all you got left. There will be no more.
No, because they're all gonna blow away.
I guess I'm going through.
Yeah.
Thank you. I don't know why you let me go by. I ain't speeding.
Maybe they're enjoying the scenery.
Maybe.
This is beautiful though. We just didn't get
Oh yeah,
the
they're
top.
getting out of one.
Alright.
Here.
Oh, yeah. First time in a V6, right?
First time on a two-wheel drive.
There you go. Yes, because if there's Trailblazer was a V6, it just...
I'd be surprised if anyone would make it.
I don't know, I've seen people with issues many times. We just always had a different vehicle.
Wow, he's doing it. I don't like that rough in the middle though.
Oh, Impala. Come on, Impala.
Come on, you can do it. Come on, baby, you got it. Oh man, this one looks so good.
Yeah.
But he's making it.
I don't like this. This is a...
Come on, you can do it. Almost there. Almost there. Dang. That's it.
We're gonna keep going. Stop it. Okay.
Yes.
Alright, I'm recording again. I'm gonna try and get out of here.
Okay, but I'm terco.
Oh, there it goes. He is, guys. He really is.
Come on.
I have faith in
Get
Mr.
on
Lopez.
speed.
He Got it.
There you go.
Yep. Hey. This is just the beginning, and you made it through that. We got more to come.
Yeah, this is the hard part. Because there's too much holes.
Yeah, but remember the one part where the people had to unload the van up here? Or is that it? That's it?
We did it.
Yay.
I won't give up.
That's where that vertical comes in. Oh yeah, this is the hill that we seen on once I got up here. So the rest is okay?
Yeah, the rest is okay. That's the hard one. We were going to turn around here anyways.
Good. Cause
There's no point of going all the way there.
No.
This is good after this one is all good.
to go up. I mean, it still ain't easy. Gone up a lot, but that was the hard part.
Yeah, the hard part is that one.
Yeah.
We made it. We made it with this with snow, ice, but I was with the Trailblazer or the Land Rover.
Loaded down with linens
More than a
and
trailer,
trash.
Which was scary, but we did it. Gotta make that money.
Yeah, we're gonna make that money.
Now we're going down. Going down is easier.
We're going down and we're gonna go find some food because Grandma's kitchen's not open. It's a good place to eat.
Nobody coming up.
Oh yeah, one-way traffic.
Back up with this. And you know the rule, at least to the ones that we know around here, you going down, you move back up. If you can.
See, I don't know those rules. I figured you would. Not me driving, no. I drive on concrete.
It's way funner if you have an SUV or four-wheel drive. Because you don't have to watch oil pan and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
This is it.
Oil pan.
The colors are done. So thank you for watching. Oh man, I didn't like that. That's what I'm talking about.
Oil pan.
That means you didn't leave no oil behind. And till next time, because cars, we are low on cars. They're not bringing any cars, so see what happens.
Yeah.